నటుడి కదలికలు gestures of an actor, the way in which vestiges of physical behavior can live on as symbolic activity even after the action has ceased to be practical, is explained by Charles Darwin in the expression of emotion in man and animal, and is expanded on here by Robert S. Breen. Consider the expressive value of behavior that was once in our human history adaptive but is no longer so expect in a vestigial sense. For example, the baring of teeth in the preparation for attack or defense. In primitive experience, the use of the teeth for tearing and rending an enemy was common enough and a very effective means of adapting to an environmental necessity. Today, the use of teeth in this primitive fashion is rare, but the baring of the teeth is still very much with us in an attitude of pugnacity. Men will frequently clench their teeth and draw back their lips to expose their teeth. This action is a reinstatement of the primitive pattern of biting, though there is no real intention of using the teeth in such a fashion. The tough guy talks through his teeth because he is habituated to an attitude of aggressiveness. When he bars his teeth, it is a warning to all who see him that he is prepared to attack or to defend himself. His speech is characterized by a nasality because his oral cavity is closed and his breath escapes primarily through his nose. Lip action in speech is curtailed because the jaw is held so close to the upper jaw that there is little room between the lips for even their normal activity. Restriction of the lip action results in the tough guys talking out of the corner of his mouth. When we see a person where his clenched teeth, curl his lip, narrow his eyes, deepen his breathing, etc., we conclude that he is angry. These are the signs of attack in our ancestors, which have become for us social symbols expressive of an emotional state known as anger. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అభ్యాసము మీ ప్రాథమిక భౌతిక పనులను పరీక్షించుకొనుము. శ్వాస, తినటం, కక్కుకొనుట, కొట్టుకొనుట, ప్రేమించటం మొదలగు. ఇందులో ఒకటి ఎంపిక చేసుకొని ఆది మానవుడు ఆ పని చేస్తున్నట్లు పాత్రచిత్రంలో ప్రదర్శించుము. ఈ పనిని పూర్తిగా చేయటములో భౌతికముగా బాగా అనుభవము గడించిన పశుత్వం, యానిమలిస్టిక్ స్థాయి, తర్వాత నాగరికత, సివిలైజ్ గల పాత్రలు నెమ్మదిగా తీర్చిదిద్దము. ముందుగా ఆలోచించవద్దు. ఆ పని మిమ్మలను ముందుకు నడిపిస్తూ తక్కువగా సాధన చేయిస్తుంది మరియు ఎక్కువగా ప్రతీక సింబాలిక్గా చేయిస్తుంది. You will probably notice the animalized version of even the most gentle behavior involves more overt participation of the lower body than its civilized offspring, though the modern symbolic version still springs from the same deep center and covertly carries the same quality of action. It is useful for the actor to reawaken this sense of the origins of expressive behavior. Even as you perform the polite contemporary behavior, your memory of the animal origins, that behavior can serve as a source of power and deep involvement in it. This does not mean that your performance appears animal like, but only that have established within yourself a link with the deepest origins of your character's behavior. మరికొన్ని విషయాలు మరో భాగంలో.